Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 3.1 question number 6. Find the angle measure x in the following figures. Here you see the first one is this is the figure. If you take this figure, this angle as A and this angle as B, right? From the figure you can find, from the figure we are solving question number 6C. From the figure you can conclude that from the figure here you see that is 70 plus A. Here this is a linear pair. Then from the figure you can write 70 degree plus A is equal to 180 degree because this is a linear pair. In bracket you can write this is a linear pair. Or you can find the value of A is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. If we subtract it, we are getting 180 degree minus 70 degree. Then we are getting this is 0, 1, 1. That is 110 degree. Also here you see there. Here you also see that B plus 60 is equal to 180 because it is a linear pair. Again 60 plus B is equal to again 180 degree because this is also a linear pair. Therefore we are getting P is equal to 180 minus 60 degree, that is equal to 120 degree. So this angle is 120 and this angle is 110 degree. This angle A is 110 degree and this angle B is 120 degree. Right? And you know that the angle the angle we know that the sum of the angles the sum of the angles of a polygon of a polygon of n side is n minus 2 into 180 degree In this figure, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 sides. Therefore, if we put the value A of n as 5, then we are getting 5 minus 2 into 180 degree or you can getting 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 into 180 degree. If we multiply 180 degree with 3, we are getting 300 3 is 24, 2, here it is 4. 303 plus 2, 5. 540 degree. 540 degree. Therefore, we can say that the sum of the angles of a pentagon is the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. If you add this one, this plus this plus this plus this plus this, we get the value as 140 degree. Now let us add this one. Let us add this one. Here we are finding here you see, if we add all the numbers, we are getting this one is 30 degree, this is x, this is x, this is 110, this is 120 degree. That means if we add the numbers, that is it is 30 degree, that is it is 30 degree this angle plus this angle is 110 degree plus 110 degree plus this is 120 degree 120 degree plus this is x plus this angle is also x. That becomes some of the interior angles of a pentagon is, we have found that it is 540 degree, that it is 540 degree, right? If we add all the numbers, we are getting 120, 110 and plus 30, that is we are getting 0. 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6, 1 plus 1 2, 260, that is we are getting 260 degree plus x plus x, that is 2x, is equal to 540 degree, 540 degree, right? That means we are getting 260 degree, 260 degree, 260 degree plus 2x is equal to 540 degree, right? Now if we add all the numbers, then we are getting, or you can write here as 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 540 degree, 540 degree minus 260 degree minus 260 degree minus 260 degree. If we subtract 260 from 540 degree minus 260 to 60, then we are getting 0, 6, 6, 8, 23, 4, 5, 2, 280 degree, that is 280 degree. Or you can write 2x is equal to 2x, we are writing 2x is equal to 280 degree, 280 degree. Or you can write x is equal to 280 by 2, that is 280 degree by 2. Or you are getting the value of x as 202, 2 4 is 8, 0, 140 degree. Therefore the value of x is equal to 140 degree, right? That means the value of x here is 140 degree, and this value of x is also 140 degree, right? We'll solve question number D now, right? We'll solve here. You see the value of x is 140 degree. This is 140, this is 140, the A is 110 degree, B is 120 degree, and this is 30 degree. And this is the figure of pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. That is a pentagon, right? We'll solve question number D here. Let us find question number D. Question number D, here you see question number D. Here we'll solve question number D. In this case, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We found that the sum of the angles of interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. We found that the sum of interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. 540 degree. Here is given the value of angle is x. This is x, this is x, this is x, this is x. That means you can write x plus x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 540 degree. 540 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 5x is equal to 540 degree. 540 degree. Or it can be written as x is equal to 540 by 5. 540 degree by 5. I can written as 5 9 54. 5 9 54. Or the value of x 540 by 5. You will divide this one. This is not 90. If you divide this one, what you get, you see here. If you divide this one, it is 540 divided by 5. 540. 540. If you divide by 5, you will get 5 1 is 5. Then it is 4. 0. It is 0. 5 8 is 40. 5 8 is 8. 5 8 is 40. Then you are getting 180 degree. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 180 degree. 108 degree. Or you can say the value of x is equal to 108 degree. 108 degree. And all the angles are equal. Here you see, this is 108. This is also 108 degree. This is also 180 degree. This is also 180 degree. This is also 180 degree. That means all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. It is a regular pentagon, right? The value of x is equal to 180 degree. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.